In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an element in Base44. We'll walk through this process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to safely remove any element you no longer need in your Base44 project. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and you have the project open that you want to edit. Once you're inside your app, look for the option labeled Visual Edit. This is usually found in the editor area, and it's the place where you can see and change your layout visually, instead of working with code. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This will load your page or screen in a more design-focused view so you can work directly with the elements that appear in your app. After Visual Edit opens, take a moment to let everything load and orient yourself. You should see your app's interface, including buttons, text, images, sections, or other components, just like a live preview. Now, find the specific element you want to delete. This could be anything that appears on the page. A button you no longer use, a text block that's outdated, or maybe a duplicate section you don't need anymore. Move your mouse over the element you want to remove. Usually, when you hover over an element in Visual Edit, it will be highlighted or outlined, letting you know that it's currently selected. Click once on that element to select it. You may notice some small controls or a toolbar appearing near or around the selected item, confirming that it's active and ready for editing. With the element selected, look for a trash icon. This icon typically represents delete or remove. It might appear in a small floating toolbar near the element, or in a side panel when the element is selected. Take a second to be absolutely sure you've selected the correct item, especially if it's part of a larger layout. Deleting the wrong element can affect the design of your page. Once you're confident it's the right element, click on the trash icon. Base44 will then remove that element from the page. In some setups, you might be asked to confirm the deletion. If a confirmation message appears, just review it and accept if you're sure. After deleting, review your page in Visual Edit to make sure everything still looks the way you expect. If your project supports undo, you can use that if you made a mistake. And that's all you need to do to delete an element in Base44.